Hello students, and welcome to this demonstration on how to use the Desmos graphing calculator website to graph two equations which are nonlinear and to find the solution of that system. Alright, so Desmos is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is open a new tab, type in www.desmos.com, and it'll bring up this screen. So you'll come over here and you'll press Start Graphing. Alright, and now we're in this really cool suite where you can do all kinds of different things. So let's see what it looks like. So if I'm giving you the expression y is equal to 2x, and when I'm using Desmos, if I'm wanting to make an expression squared, I have a couple of different options. Here, as you can see, you've got your a squared. So you can actually use that to make it squared. Additionally, you might be able to use the caret key. So if you press Shift and 6, then you get a little symbol that looks like this. And that's called a caret. And that is typically used to show that there's an exponent. So if I say x caret 2, it means that 2 is the exponent of x there. But luckily, Desmos tends to take that and it will actually transform it into something that's a little bit more reasonable to look at. So let's get back to it and see which buttons we need to press. So we have 2x, and I'm just going to press the a squared here. So 2x squared, and then minus 3x, and minus 1. So that's our first expression. All right, now we're going to come to our second expression. So we just click here, over here in this area where we've got our expressions listed, and then we can make another expression here in the second box. So again, we're going to want to write y equals, and y equals, our expression is going to be x minus 3. All right, great. So now I've got our two expressions. And I can drag this window around a little bit and I can see all these different things. But really what I'm interested in is I want to take my two expressions and zoom in, and what Desmos will do is it will actually automatically populate the intersection here. So Desmos is telling me that my intersection of these two lines, there's only one, and it's telling me that it occurs at 1, negative 2. So if we clear out our expressions, we're just going to take it and make it into y equals, and we zoom back out a little bit. You can use your wheel to scroll. We're going to change this, and it's going to be y is equal to negative x, and this time I'm going to use my little caret, squared, plus 1. And then my second expression is going to be y is equal to x squared minus 5x minus 2. All right, and let's zoom out again a little bit. So we see that we've got these two graphs and they intersect in two distinct places. So let's find out where those points are. So if you select one of the graphs just by clicking on it, it'll make all these important points that occur. So if we look up here, we see that one intersection point occurs at negative 0.5 and 0.75. And that also might be negative 1/2 and 3/4. Then our second intersection point down here looks to be 3, negative 8. So our two intersection points will be negative 1/2, 3/4, and it's going to be 3, negative 8. Well, that was easy, right? So now we know our solutions to our system. Thank you for watching this demonstration, and have a wonderful day.